Yes, Daddy.
What, Daddy?
Don't show that.
Oh.
Easy. I was gonna say, I thought the piece was bigger.
You crazy. Thank you.
See, but I don't have a PS5.
Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate it. Man. Thank you so much. Shout out to all my supporters, everybody in the clan, everybody. Ant, Tariq, Redline, Tyran, Asaph, Reach, JB, Jack, Timo, and the list goes on and on. Thank you, everybody, for supporting us. We appreciate it. God bless you all. Happy holidays to everybody.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Can't smile. Oh, sure. Thank God it's like this. Oh, ain't nobody can steal it. I know it. This steel proof tape. Thank you. Oh,
I know it! Y'all a real one! Hey!
man. Thank you.
Hey!
Shout out to everybody in the clan, everybody especially who has something to do with this. This is a very generous gift, and I am so thankful. I'm thankful for you. Shout out Ant, Toll, Reach, Redline, Asaph, Jack, Dayco, Revan, my little crumpet. Thank you.
My little crumpet.
I'm sorry if I forgot anybody, but thank you to everybody, man. This means so much to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And I guess loyalty really does come naturally. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Salute to everybody.